Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to transform any photo into a 3D model in Canva. But before we jump into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already added the same picture to the Canva, and going to the apps and looking for art style changer. This is the application. Just need to wait until it's loading it. The image is already out. So as you can see, one credit left for me. So officially, when you start with a free credential, you have 2 credits, but this application do a really good job. So really valuable to buy credit in. So we can choose between different styles, but now I would like to use this 3D figure, and that's all. We just go into the generate, and let's wait until the AI do the job for us. It's a looks really valuable application inside the Canva. So first, everybody can try with these 2 free credits, and if you also see like me, it's a really valuable and really good one, you can still buy another credit inside this application. Then we just have to wait. As you see, it's already there. Add to page, add a new page, so add to design. And I can increase the size a bit. And add to page, add a new page. So I just would like to use this also at the other one, just to compare. I did it twice. And actually both 3D figure looks amazing. Actually, I use the same picture to generate, so as you can see, the AI doing in a different way from this, as this was the original image, and that was the second generation, and that was the first generation. Both is really good. So I think this application is quite good, really valuable. Feel free to try it. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people with my tutorials. And of course, if you have any question about Canva or struggling anything Canva, just let me know in a comment section and I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of this video where you can find links for my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts listed in a Facebook page. And of course, in a TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find a short form of Canva tutorials. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.